So, welcome back, students. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and studying well so that you will not face any problem in future. Next is to say the student who have not submitted anything yet, try to submit maximum whatever we have done or the worksheets we have been giving since March. Start solving those also and please send because your internal marks will be depending on that. Okay, now today we are going further in linear equation in one variable. The part 2.5, some more applications. Now in the last exercise we have seen that a equation is formed in which both sides we have the variable, same variable, as our lesson is one variable at last. So we will have the same variable to both the sides of the equation. These type of equations we have to prepare first and then we have to solve them. So here we will directly go for the exercise 2.4, some examples I am going to solve here. Let's take the second example. Let's take the second example of that. A positive number is 5 times another number. See, remember, positive number it is 5 times the other number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, if 22 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other number. What are the numbers? Now what we have to do, we have to first form the equation. So for that, a positive number is 5 times another number. So we'll take another number as x. Let x be the positive number. Now, as we have considered x, then 5 times of x will be 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, that is x and x plus 5x, we have to add 21 to both the numbers. Then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Then one of the new number becomes twice of the another new number. What are the numbers? Now here what to do is, therefore the other number is 5x, that is 5 times the one number. Okay. If 21 is added to both the numbers, adding 21 to both numbers, we have x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now further what is given? Then one of the new numbers, now these are the two new numbers, one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So these number will be twice of this number. So therefore we will write as, I will take this side, 5x plus 21 equal to twice of x plus 21. Now this is a linear equation being formed. Now we have to solve this to find the solution for this. Now here, how to solve? We have to first open this bracket. So we have therefore 5x plus 21 equal to 2x plus 42. Transfer 2x here and this 21 that side. So therefore 5x minus 2x will be equal to 42 minus 21. Therefore 3x will be equal to 21. Therefore x equal to 21 upon 3. Therefore x equal to 7. Therefore the two numbers, I will write positive, two positive numbers are 7 and 5x means 5x equal to 5 into 7 equal to 35. So the two numbers are 7 and 35. Now let's verify whether our answer is right or wrong. So for that, what we have to do is we have to put 7 in this, so that we have to see whether the sides balance or not. So here if I put 7, so here it will be 35 plus 21 becomes 56. And here if I add 7 here, 7 plus 21 is 28. 28 2s are 56 again. So our both sides are balanced. So our answer is right. Next, one more example we'll take. Say sixth one. Now we'll go for sixth one. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school, in Mahuli village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So length is to breadth. Equal to 11:4. At the rate ₹100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat ₹75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So I have to write rate of fencing equal to ₹100 per meter, and cost of fencing equal to ₹75,000. We have to find the dimensions of the plot. So there are two parts in this. What we have to do is, the ratio of the length and breadth is given to you, and rate of fencing is there per meter, and the total cost of fencing. So we can find here what? The perimeter. So first we will find the perimeter and perimeter. Okay. So therefore perimeter of plot equal to cost of fencing upon rate of fencing. will be cost is 75,000 and rate is 100. So we get here 750 meter. So perimeter is 750 meter. Now this we have to take further or use further. Now we will go for length, the ratio. As the ratio is given, we will say let m be, not m because m indicates meter here, so we will take some another letter, say z. Let z be the common multiple. Let z be the common multiple. Now, as z is the common multiple, what will be length? Therefore, length equal to 11z and breadth equal to 4z. Now, perimeter equal to twice of length plus breadth equal to 2 into so here perimeter is given, how much it is? 750 will be equal to twice, length is 11z plus 4z. Therefore, 750 equal to 2 multiplied by 15z. Further, therefore, I will take the right hand side toward left. 30z equal to 750. Therefore, z equal to 750 upon 30. 0 get cancelled. 25 will get. Therefore, z equal to 25. Therefore, length of plot equal to 11z equal to 11 into 25 equal to 275 meters, and breadth of plot equal to 4z equal to 4 multiplied by 25 equal to 100 meters. So the length and breadth we have found, it is 275 meters and breadth is 100 meters. So this was being given to find out. One more example we'll take, say ninth one. We'll go for ninth one now. Yes. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. How many times? He is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than then her. Find their present age. Now, we have to find the present age of grandfather and daughter both. Here the relations are given. So, ninth one, let the present age of granddaughter be S years. Be S years. Therefore, present age of grandfather equal to. Now he is 54, also he is 54 years older than her. So it will be S plus 54 years. Now what is given is 10 times older than his daughter. Grandfather is how much? 10 times older than his daughter. Now these present age are there, and now we have the relation between them is grandfather is 10 times the age of granddaughter, and their difference is 54. So this, from this we get the present age of grandfather. So therefore S plus 54, or I will take this first. 10 times the age of daughter means 10 into S equal to S plus 54. Therefore, 10S equal to S plus 54. Therefore, 10S minus S equal to 54. Therefore, 9S equal to 54. Therefore, S equal to 54 upon 9. Therefore, S equal to 6 years. Therefore, present age of granddaughter equal to 6 years, and present age of grandfather equal to, now grandfather age is 54 more. So S plus 54 equal to 6 plus 54 equal to 60 years. So the age of granddaughter is 6 years and age of grandfather is 60 years. Granddaughter 6 years and grandfather 60 years. See, 6 times are 60, 10 times one condition. Second condition, the difference is of 54 years. So 60 minus 6 is 54. So this way we are going to solve the remaining less numericals of this exercise. You will solve at home and send to my email ID. Now next part of this topic we will see the next part here is reducing equations to simpler form. Some equations in the complicated form will be given to you. You have to reduce first it in the simpler form and then solve it to find the value of the given variable. So here I will write the topic first. Reducing equations to simpler form. Exercise 2.5. Now, in exercise 2.5, some examples are there. We'll take again 3 of that or 4 of that. Let's take the third one. X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Now this is the given equation. First you have to reduce it in the simpler form and then you have to solve for the value of variable x. So here this 3 is here, we have to take the LCM. So what we get? 3 into x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 equal to. Here 6 and 2 are there, so obviously 6 will be the LCM. 6, so it will be 17 minus 3 2s are 6, so 3 into 5x. So what we get here? 3x plus 21 minus 8x equal to upon 3 equal to 17 minus 15x upon 6. Now these can be cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then cross multiplied. So before that we have to solve this. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So minus 5 it will become. So 21 minus 5x and multiplied by this 2 will be equal to. Here 1 is there, so no need of multiplication because when we multiply by 1 it remains the same. So it will be 17 minus 15x. Now what we get here? 42 minus 10x will be equal to 17 minus 15x. These 15 will transfer this side and these 42 that side. So what we get? 15 will become plus. So I will write 15x minus 10x as it is equal to. This 42 goes that side. So it will become negative 17 as it is minus 42. So here we get 5x equal to 42 minus 17 is 25 minus 25. Therefore x equal to minus 25 upon 5. So x equal to minus 5. So this is the solution for this equation. So similar type of equations we are going to solve here. Let's take one more. Yeah. Fifth one. The fifth one here. It is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus equal to 2 by 3 minus p. So this is the next equation we are going to solve. Now here again the same steps what we have done here. We have taken first the LCM. So here also we will take the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 12 here. Now 3 will go in multiplication of here and 4 will go to multiply this term. So we have 3 multiplied by 3t minus 2 minus 4 multiplied by 2t plus 3 equal to, here obviously 3, 2 minus 3t. So here 4, 1. So what we get here, this term will remain as it is, that is multiplied by 1 and this is multiplied by 4. So here we will solve it and write 3 3s are 90 minus 6, 3 2s are 6 minus 4 2s are 8 t minus 4 3s are 12 upon, sorry, I will not take this upon here because I am planning to multiply this term with 4. So equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3t. So what we get, 90 minus 80 is t minus addition of this because both are minus. So 6 plus 12 is 18 equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 3s are 12 t. Now these 12 will take this side and this minus will go, 18 will go that side. So we have p plus 12t equal to 8 plus 18. So 13t will be equal to 26. So t equal to 26 upon 13. So t will be equal to 2. So this is the final solution of our example. Let's see one more. Let's go for 8 1. Eight one. $50 multiplied by y minus 4 minus 2 in bracket y minus 9 plus 5y into y plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is very simple because everything is in one side only, so you have to just simplify this and find the value of y. So for simplifying we will solve the brackets first. So it will be 15y minus 60, 15 4s are 60, minus 2y minus minus plus 9 2s are 18 plus 5y plus only plus 6 5s are 30 equal to 0. Now here 15 minus 2 plus 5, 15 plus 5 is 20 and 20 minus 2 is 18. So we will write 18y minus 60 minus 60 plus 30 is minus 30 minus 30 plus 18 is minus 12. So minus 12 here equal to 0. So y will be equal to, sorry, 18y will be equal to 12 as it transfer the sign. So sign will become positive. So y will be equal to 12 upon 18. Reduce this. So y will be equal to 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 2 upon 3. So the value of y comes out to be 2 by 3. So these type of examples are here in this exercise. You have to simplify and solve this exercise. And one last exercise is there, 2.6, which is actually based on this part, and also two numericals are there, two small word problems are there. So try that. If you don't get, in the next session we can see that. Just give me the message that whether you get 2.6 or not, and if there is any doubt, I will solve that first and then we'll go for the next lesson in our next period. Thank you. Stay home, be safe, and thank you once again. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.